Wine is always good.
Oh.
I'm Joan.
I'm Harry.
Growing younger every day through food, wine, and travel.
We sold our house in 2019 and took to the damn skies. Ciao.
We're vagabonds with means. The world is our home. Join us as we explore, cook, drink wine, and travel.
Married Joan when she was 15, and we're still, next year I think it'll be 60 years, but we're going to get there, right?
Yeah.
Ciao.
We're traveling the world at 7.
Yes.
Okay, so, go ahead.
Oh, in this video, we're going to show you a 5-course fish meal, or a feast.
Yeah.
Yes, a feast.
Fish feast.
Yeah. Our Sicilian friend that we discovered through Loredana and Orazio, his name is Santo, and he has a penthouse up in Riposto, right on the water.
Right by the sea.
Yes, and in the fishing village of Riposto. So, Joni.
Santo's penthouse features a view from the marina, the famous village of Taormina, and Calabria on the mainland Italy across the Strait of Messina.
Beautiful setting.
Yeah, beautiful setting. Santos, in his youth, Santos, who is our host today, lived a couple of decades in Boston.
Well, he grew up, he was born and grew up with Orazio in Riposto.
Right.
Then moved to Boston. And
Massachusetts in the U.S. and
Yeah.
became a well-known hairdresser to
Yes.
the rich and famous, and in Boston before he retired to his Sicilian lifestyle now, back to his childhood roots in Riposto.
Paul,
So
I think you'll love
I hope
it.
you enjoy this. It's fabulous, a 5-course fish feast.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
Ciao.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
where are we?
We are at Santo Penthouse.
Yes, beautiful, no?
Santo Penthouse right on the waterfront.
Oh, you are the maker, magic in the
Brother Donna, here we are.
Sono sempre io, eh?
Santo's place, no?
Sì, sono
And you, do you,
Sto facendo fragole,
is that mine?
sono Irish style.
Ah, did I?
Irish style. vero?
Yes, perfect.
Perfetto.
Very fancy. What kind of fish do you have?
Anyway,
Do you know?
anyway.
All kinds of different, there's a bigger one. This one.
This is striped
Striped bass.
bass, yeah.
Okay.
And then these are
Sardine, that's sardine. That's all the good fish.
Yeah,
Supposed
perfect.
to be good fish.
Okay. And then he gets
Orazio,
lemon.
devi mettere
Lemon,
delle
garlic,
gelsi in mezzo
parsley.
all'insalata.
Parsley, pepper, and salt.
And salt. The little garlic pieces he slices and
Oh,
puts
yeah,
that in
perfect.
there. Wonderful.
Santa,
Beautiful.
Sì.
Perfect.
And then
A little bit of salt.
Yeah.
And Loredana is making salad,
Strawberries.
strawberry salad.
Da noi non si chiama salad.
Still here in the afternoon.
Always use the small tuna, not the big one. Small has less mercury.
Tell me, is it true?
Back.
The beer.
Beer. Olives, artichokes, sun-dried.
Quiet, I can hear
Tomatoes.
my heart
These are
Oh no, those are Loredana peppers.
bell peppers.
Bell peppers, yes. Fantastic.
Amica Alice, roll,
Oh,
roll.
fantastic. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I always do that thing. Okay.
Okay, good.
Yeah, perfect.
I don't know where it is. It is there someplace, but the knife is right here. I found it right away.
It's not a problem. Okay. Orazio, beer.
Okay.
Beck's beer. Orazio.
Cheers.
Wait. Oh, wait.
Wait,
Do
I'm
cheers.
waiting. I'm waiting.
So when you feel like you are
Orazio.
giving up,
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
This is my.
We are navigating in the Ionian Sea, heading for Greece.
Heading for Greece. Yeah, no, cheers.
This is right on top, and look at the way he's built this penthouse.
This is the main cabin for the captain.
Yeah, that's where the captain is cooking.
Yes, no problem.
Harry, you need to divide the fish, huh? Because they don't know how.
Oh.
would you come and lift me up? And now I'm closer to God with you, yeah. It's where I belong, yeah. Now I'm closer to God. It's you that I love.
Lui è Harry.
Ah, ciao.
Harry.
Pari.
E
Yes.
lei è
No, can you...
I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side.
Ci vuole voler mise, dice si vedete buoni, buoni.
Cosa preferivi? Gli spaghetti?
Tu vuoi spaghetti, eh?
Gli spaghetti alla chitarra con questo pesce.
Anche
This is,
fare spaghetti.
Tuna, no? Orazio?
Tuna, yeah.
Tuna pasta.
Vediamo.
Tuna pasta. Oh, fantastic.
Mamma mia.
Oh, yeah. Is that good? Oh. Oh, Roma.
Complimenti. Buone vendite.
Compliment, Santo.
Questo qua fu sperimentale, eh?
Well done, compliment. Yeah. Oh, my God. Here we are sitting on Santo's ship. Santo's ship, yeah?
Right.
A sailboat, no?
Penthouse.
Stellato, chef stellato.
No, no, ship vuol dire...
Shipping's
Barcabella, no?
not ship, a ship.
Ship.
Very good.
Ah. Oh, no.
Allora, i peperoncini, i pere devono prendere su da noi, eh?
Quella che
That's
mi hai
hot
dato
pepper.
prima, sì?
Orazio.
Cantoni.
So Orazio's having number 2
Hot.
and hot. Another pasta.
The first was to
Taste.
taste. The second, to enjoy.
Okay, everybody needs to
Andrea,
go.
una birra fredda.
Everybody needs to go, and
Santo! Santo!
we need to do something.
Me up. You were there, holding my hand. You were there, holding my
So we need Harry's help.
Yes,
We
absolutely.
need a chef.
Sicilians love fish heads because they are packed with nutrient-dense, flavorful meat, and they anchor the island's celebrated tradition of cucina povera, peasant cooking, which dictates that no part of the fish goes to waste.
I could wonder why I am even talking to you when nothing is to become. It's trouble and then some. You live halfway around the world from me, and to start something seems a no good idea. It's clear to see, but when sparks fly, you know you must try.
Io questo, no, questo è particolare.
So we go running straight into the waves. I have heard that the heavens favor the brave. We're too late to save, but when sparks fly,
C'è ristoro, queste cose no. Perché c'erano con sardine da piccantissime. Mi chiamano cucchiarino.
What did you say, Liana?
Io sono Liana, sono amica di Ari e John.
Grazie.
Bravissimo, bravissimo.
Che cosa?
Andiamo, lavati le mani qua.
Benito? Ok, ok.
Ragazzi, dovete utilizzare lo stesso cucchiaino.
Tiramisu. This is Gino made tiramisu. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come vuoi che sia il tiramisù?
And now, oh.
Buoni.
One. Oh, goodness.
Io ho un desidero al cioccolato.
Oh. Shit.
Un primo mio.
No, io ancora non ho ciotolina, che chi sei di santo?
Oh.
Là deve essere bene buono.
Buone, nella pancia. Tutto buono.
Questo per chi è? Santo.
Santo.
Give Santo a piece.
Santo da bene tanto.
With a small spoon.
Yeah,
small spoon, yeah.
Madonna, ma fammi sotto uscito tuo marito, giusto? Non ti preoccupare. Io la mangio con piacere. Orazio, sei tutto al cioccolato.
Orazio, you already finished one. Orazio. Very good.
No, questo è mio.
Sembra il coppo. L'ho assaggiato.
That was just a taste, no?
The taste was perfect.
Okay.
No,
Oh, really, John?
è buono
Ciao.
perché
Oh,
Non c'è uovo.
Non c'è neanche uovo.
C'è la cosa meravigliosa.
Riposto. Joni, take it away.
Well, okay. Riposto is a bustling coastal town of about 15,000 residents. Once a historical fishing and trading port, it has transformed into a major nautical hub featuring the Porto Del Etna Marina.
That's a great marina, by the way.
Yeah, many a walk that we've
Yes.
been taking.
Yeah.
Though local fishing and fresh seafood markets remain deeply woven into the local culture. While Riposto itself serves as a well-equipped boating and commercial base at the foot of Mount Etna, it is directly connected by a short seafront walk to Torre. Torre is a picturesque, quiet fishing hamlet known for its lava stone architecture and traditional small piers.
Riposto is where our fish bungalow is. That's where we do all our fish shopping.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, so now what are we looking at over there, Horazio?
So the commercial pier of Riposto.
Commercial pier. Very, very good. Okay.
It's along the water road, takes you to the town of Taormina. The village of Torre.
Torre. Where does Torre start? Just up this way or no?
That way about 2 kilometers.
Ah.
Interesting fact. Joni.
3 miles off the coast of Riposto, there is a shallow rocky ridge under an underwater feature. It is simply referred to by the locals and the mariners as the Sica, which translates to shallow bank or shoal.
Yes, exactly. A Sicilian. Sicilians call it Sica.
Yeah. About the Sica. Point 1. Geological features. The Sica is a massive underwater crest that runs for several kilometers parallel to the Ionian coast.
Gets its warm water from 1,000 meters down from an old volcano. 2.2.
Point 2. Volcanic origins. It is widely considered an ancient underwater volcanic ridge or dike, similar to the dikes observed on land around Mount Etna.
That's exactly right. There's one that goes all the way around. Well, there's many of these. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, there are many ridges.
And point number
3, marine life. The combination of volcanic rock, shallow water, and strong Mediterranean currents makes it an incredibly rich environment for diverse marine species.
And Red Seal says a lot of fishing goes on right there. That's where they catch a lot of the fish. And when he was a kid, that's where they got out to, and that's where they fished. Ciao.
Ciao.
In this direction,
Yes.
about 3 miles,
Oh.
there is a place it's called in Sicilian Sica, which means dry.
Okay.
The water from 1,000 meter deep goes to maybe 60 meter.
It comes
There
up?
is a mountain. The water there is lukewarm.
I know.
Yeah, and it's a very rich
It's a-
fishing spot.
Like a mineral spa almost. Yeah.
So
Oh,
would be
fantastic.
halfway to Calabria?
No, it's about 3 miles. Calabria may be what, 100 miles?
A spring that comes
A
up.
volcano.
Oh, a volcano spring. Ah.
Things like we saw in the island of Volcano.
And
The
the
water is
yeah.
warm.
But the other
But
day,
fishing, everybody goes there fishing.
but the other day when Santos brought those snails, he digs them right out where those people are sunbathing.
Yeah, right there, where the water is that deep.
Right there.